guys, so for today's video, I thought that I would help you guys with your spring cleaning. Well, I just wanted to do a quick video because I was cleaning out my kit since I'm going to be creating videos and doing more of my makeup, so I wanted to do like a deep clean of my kit and of all of my makeup. So I thought that I would video that for you guys so that you at home could clean up your makeup bag, because if your makeup bag looks anything like my makeup bag, it's gross. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to go through what I use and how I do it. Each different, each part of your makeup bag, I will show you how to clean that. So yeah, if you want to do some spring cleaning in your makeup bag, just keep watching. This is a baby bottle drying rack that I have had since my 6-year-old was a baby, and now it makes a pretty good makeup brush rack. It's by the brand Boon, and you can get it online or at Target. This is the smallest size they make, I believe. They do make them in other sizes. I use the EcoTools makeup brush shampoo. You can find it online or at Ulta, and it breaks down the makeup very well for easy cleaning. This is a condiment dish I just got from my kitchen, but you can just grab anything you have that will hold the shampoo and allow you to dip your brushes into it. This is the cleansing pad I use by the brand NYX. I like it because it's small and fits in my hand, and the bristles are soft but abrasive enough to get a good clean. I found this cleansing pad at the Dollar Tree and got it because it was cute and my favorite color, and I like that it had suction cups. You will see me go back and forth in the video between the pads trying to figure out the best way to use it. If you do not have a cleansing pad, you can take something with a flat surface like this small cutting board and apply some strips of hot glue. It will work just as well. So let's get started. First, I get my brush wet, then I dip it in the shampoo, and then gently swirl it around on my cleansing pad. It looks like I'm scrubbing aggressively because it's sped up, but I'm not. I'm being very gentle. Being gentle will save the integrity of your brushes. Then I rinse my pad, and then I go back and forth between rinsing the pad, swirling some more, rinsing the pad, swirling some more. I keep going back and forth until I do not see any more makeup rinsing out. Then I rinse my brush thoroughly and squeeze the hair, and then swirl it around my hand a little bit more to try and get as much water out as possible. Then I set it on my rack to dry. Same steps apply for your smaller brushes. Get it wet, then dip it into the shampoo, and then gently swirl it around on the cleansing pad. Going back and forth between rinsing and swirling until you see no makeup rinsing out. When it's clean, rinse thoroughly, and then gently squeeze as much water out as possible, then swirl on your hand and set it up to dry. Now, this is a double-ended brow brush, and it basically is the same, except I dip both ends in this shampoo, and then I massage the spoolie end of it before using the cleansing pad. Then it's the same process as before, going back and forth until I do not see any makeup rinsing out. Then get as much water out as possible and set it up to dry. So I almost gave up on the purple cleansing pad because it just wasn't helping get any of the makeup off of the brushes. But then I moved it, as you can see, kind of close to the water, and it does actually help very well getting the soap out faster so that your brush is not in the water as much. The longer the brushes are in the water, the more the water can break down the glue and loosen everything, and then your brush doesn't last as long. This pad did help to be able to rinse the soap out a little bit faster, and so I probably will continue to use it, not really for getting the makeup out, but for rinsing the soap out. For my beauty sponges, I get it wet and then dip it in any remaining shampoo in the dish, and then apply more if needed. I massage the shampoo into the sponge by rolling it around in my hands. I also tried using the purple cleansing pad because it's not as abrasive as the black cleansing pad, just to help break up any remaining makeup. It really helped and didn't tear up my sponge. I do only recommend cleaning these a few times before disposing and getting a new one though. They break down and can hold bacteria, but washing and reusing a few times is fine. For my actual makeup, I start by putting down a clean towel. I grab a pack of makeup wipes. These I get from the Dollar Tree to use for cleaning so that I do not waste my good wipes. And then I grab a small spray bottle of alcohol. For palettes, I spray the shadows with my alcohol, and then I take a makeup wipe and wipe down the palette around the shadows. This is a step you do not have to do, but I just do it because I'm a makeup artist and I want my clients to be comfortable with what I'm putting on their face, and if it looks very clean, then it makes them more comfortable. Then you just leave it open and set it to the side. For my compacts and single shadows and things like that, same thing. I just spray the powder with alcohol, and then I take my makeup wipe and wipe out any excess on the compact and then set it to the side to dry. Anything that you spray with your alcohol needs to set for 10 to 15 seconds before putting away. For my metal tools, I lay them all out and then go one by one, taking my makeup wipe and trying to get any excess makeup that may be on there. and then I go back and spray them with my alcohol, and then let them sit for the 10 to 15 seconds, and then put them away. Anything that is pencil, you can sanitize and clean by spraying with alcohol first, sharpening with a clean sharpener, and then spraying again with alcohol, and then leaving it open and out to dry for 10 to 15 seconds, and then put it away. I did want to mention this to you guys. It is a daily brush cleaner, and it is good for spot cleaning. It is not good for deep cleaning though, like I've showed you previously in the video, but this is good to spot clean your brushes, or if you want to go from one color to another with a shadow brush, it's very good for that. You just spray a little bit on a towel and then swirl it around on the towel, and it gets most of the makeup off, and it dries very quickly. So I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a few things about cleaning up your makeup bag. One thing I did forget to say was I have this little tool that helps me dry my brushes. I have this thing that I bought on Amazon a while back. It's a cleaner and a dryer, and I really don't like it for cleaning. Because if you look on the picture, the soapy water is down here and the brush is up there out of it, and that's exactly how it goes when you actually try to use it. So for cleaning, I don't use this. I like to hand clean all of my brushes, but I do like it for drying. It comes with this bowl that you use to do your soap and water and clean it with, and then this little thing that holds all of your different brush attachments. So let me show you how to use it real quick. So you have this little piece, and then you have all of these little attachments. So you just find the right size for your brush. It's not completely dry yet. So I'm gonna find the attachment that fits it. So it's gonna be a snug fit, but this one's gonna fit. So you get it on there pretty good. You don't want it, see how it's kind of crooked? You don't want that because it'll wobble around when you turn on the machine. You want it to be as straight as you can get it. And then this end of this little piece goes in there. Then you attach this here. And then make sure it's all secure and turn it. See the water. And I can still feel the water coming out. But I just do it until the water, I don't feel any water coming out until it feels pretty dry. It only takes a few seconds. So I use this, like I said, if I need my brushes to be dry quickly. And then it's like that when you turn it off. There it goes right back to the sink. It's really dry. So yeah, I love this thing for drying. Not really for cleaning, but I do love this for drying. And it's, like I said, I got it from Amazon, and I'll link everything that I've used in this video down below. I just figured what better time than now to do a deep clean on your makeup bag and have everything fresh and ready to go for the spring season. I hope that this video helped you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Until next video, stay sweet, stay sassy, and always classy, y'all.